Hi, I'm Dr. Samir Area. I'm a board certified cosmetic and plastic surgeon, and I do practice in Mumbai and Goa. And in today's video, we are going to discuss regarding pectoral implants for men. So, why do men undergo a pectoral implant surgery? If you want a fuller upper chest, if you want a V kind of a chest, then definitely you can go for pectoral implants. Pectoral implant surgery is a very common procedure, and it is usually combined with other procedures like patients who want liposuction for their tummy, who want abdominal itching to give them a six-pack abs. So it's a kind of a comprehensive thing for patients who want a well-toned abdomen as well as the chest. Pectoral implants usually are done through axillary approach. The implants are put it in the chest. We put it below the muscles. Plus to that, the implant gives a more fuller look in the upper part of the chest, a good definition in the middle part of the chest, and it does taper in the lower part. So these are the pectoral implants. These are little bit harder as compared to breast implants, and these implants usually come in the form of blocks, or you can customize, you can get a tailor made according to the chest. So if we are planning any pectoral implants for any of my patients, we take their measurements, we customize the implants, we usually get the blocks as much as possible in measurements of the patients, and then we actually go ahead with the procedure. So what usually we do is we give a little bit fuller look at the upper part of the breast, and we will taper it in the lower part. So what happens is when they look at the chest in the center, they'll have a V kind of definition in the lower part of the chest, so that they will have a good gym kind of look. Who can do pectoral implants? Pectoral implants are basically for two kinds of patients. First category is patients who do go for gymming, and in spite of all the bench exercises what they have done, they are not able to get that muscle look in their chest. For them, you can go ahead with a pectoral implant. And second, patients are who are lazy, who don't go to gym, but they still want a chest definition. For them also pectoral implant can be an option. The beautiful thing about pectoral implants are these implants have a very high success rate. These are long-term permanent implants. We have not seen much complications with any of our patients having pectoral implants. Plus to that, it gives a muscle-like feel. We can customize this implant. These implants are specifically made for chest, and this is a very exotic procedure. Exotic procedure in the sense people who do pectoral implants have done biceps implant, triceps implant, deltoid implant, butt implant, hip implant, as well as abdominal implant. So there are many different kinds of implants these patients do prefer. And finally, regarding the procedure, it's usually done under general anesthesia. It's a 2-hour procedure. Most of the time it's a daycare. We don't keep you admitted. We put drain in your chest. Those drains will remain for 4 to 5 days. After that, we'll remove it, and you can expect a complete recovery somewhere around 7 to 10 days after the procedure. So finally, regarding pectoral implants, you need to understand pectoral implants are long-term permanent. They give you very natural and amazing results if you go ahead with the proper surgeon. So if you are also looking for pectoral implants, come to our channel, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be sharing you more videos regarding pectoral implants. Thank you.